So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be working out the amount of neutrons for all the first 20 elements. And again, if you're watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want customized worksheets or tutoring sessions, you can reach out to us, right? The link is in the description. All right, so let's go now, Morgan. So what we need to do now, we're gonna calculate the neutron, right, for the first 20 elements. Because we already have the mass number and the atomic number on the periodic table. Further down now, right, we can write what we are given and then work out the mass number, the atomic number. But now we're gonna work out the neutrons for the first 1 to 20 elements. So you have a periodic table looking in on?
Yes, sir.
Good. So which one of the formula that you're seeing up top? Which one would we use to calculate the amount of neutrons? Would it be 1, 2, or 3? Which one of them?
Sir,
Which one would we calculate? Which one would you use to calculate the amount of neutrons?
neutrons.
Mm-hmm.
Two, sir. Three.
Good, 3. N, which represents neutron number. So the first element that we're gonna work it out for, hydrogen. We're gonna work it out for hydrogen, right? That's the first element in the periodic table, right? As I mean, what did I say? You always write what?
Sir.
If you're doing the calculation, you're gonna always write what? What are you going to write again? All right, so you write what you're given. So we're given A, and A represents what again? What A be again?
Sir. Mass number. The mass number.
Good. And we're given Z. Z is the atomic number. So looking at the periodic table based on what we did the other day, right? We're given A. A equal what?
Sir.
What's the mass number? For hydrogen?
Yeah, hydrogen.
Yeah.
1.
Good. So the mass number for hydrogen are 1. What's the atomic number now? What's Z?
Sir.
What's Z? What's the atomic number?
Sir, 1.
Yeah, good. 1. Right? And then we said the formula to get the amount of neutrons equal.
The neutron.
Yeah, what the formula be again? N equal? It's on the screen in Morgan. You not look on the screen. You just tell me, man, focus now. Come on, focus. Morgan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I say focus. No, focus, man. I know you have some yes and you want to do your thing. You soon get time for that couple minutes remain. So N equal what now? What look on your screen, what's the formula to calculate N, the neutron number?
The mass number and the atomic number.
So tell me formula now, what's the formula? What would we do? Yeah, the mass number and the atomic number, what's the formula? What would you do?
1 minus 1.
Yeah, good. Right, so these are the formula. The formula is A minus Z. Therefore, it would be 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is what?
0.
0. Right, so the hydrogen doesn't have any neutron. Right, so N would be equal to 0. Let's move on to the second one now.
Sir, repeat the second one.
Yeah, what's the second element again? Give me the symbol for the second element.
The atomic number.
No, give me the symbol. Which one which are the second element?
Oh, sir, the periodic table.
Yeah.
Hydrogen, helium.
Yeah, good, helium. And the mass number for helium is?
2.
Mass number on 2. Look back on that again. It's not
4.
2.
4.
Yeah, 4. Good. And the atomic number is 2. Right?
2.
And then we plug that in the formula, we're gonna get what?
4 minus 2.
Yeah, man, good. 4 minus 2, which would give us?
2.
Good. So let's move on now to the third one. Let's speed it up a bit. Let's move on to the third one. What's the third one?
Helium, lithium.
Yeah, man, lithium. And the mass number for lithium, how again?
6. But when you round, you have to get 7, sir.
Good, lovely. So you have 7. And then the atomic number would be what now?
3.
3, and then so the formula now would be 7.
7.
Good. And excellent. So 7 minus 3, we're gonna get what? 4, right? So that's 4 neutrons present. Make sure you write it down because it's gonna be important in the next session, tomorrow's session.
Yes, sir.
Although I'm gonna post it. I wonder if I post this on YouTube today. Probably not, but it will be posted on YouTube probably further in the week. So Li, what's after lithium?
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium.
Good. And then what's the mass number of beryllium now?
Mass number?
Yeah, what's the mass number?
9.
Good. 9, and then the atomic number?
5. Wait.
Remember, this is the fourth element, so it's 4.
4.
Yeah, so it's 9 minus 4, which would give us
5.
So yes, so N would be equal to 5. And then after BE, what comes after BE again? What's the 5th?
Boron.
Which should be 5. So the mass number, what is the mass number?
Sir?
What's the mass number again?
10.
Round it off.
11.
Good. And then 5, right? So 11 minus 5 would give us
6.
Excellent. So that gives us 6. So for those who are following, hope you still following, remember that we're calculating the amount of neutrons. Right? And then after beryllium, not beryllium, after boron, what's the 6th one now?
Boron.
Carbon. Mass number is 12. Carbon is a very common one, right? So mass number is 12. Atomic number is 6. Right? So that therefore mean it would be 12 minus 6.
6.
Which would give us 6.
6.
Yeah, good. Let's move on to the 7th one now. Which would be what?
Neon. No, nitrogen.
Nitrogen. What's the mass number for nitrogen?
14.
14. And what's the atomic number?
Sir?
What's the atomic number?
7.
Good. So that would be 14 minus 7, which would give us...
Sir?
14 minus 7 would give us what? What would be the neutron? In a year.
7.
Good. And then let's move on to the 8th.
Oxygen. Sir, oxygen.
Yes, good. What's the mass number?
Repeat.
What's the mass number?
15.
I don't hear you.
15.
Round that off. When you round off that number, what do you get?
16.
So it'd be 16 minus 8. It should be equal to what?
Sir?
16 minus 8 would give us?
16 minus 8. 8.
Good. And then fluorine, right? What's the mass number?
Fluorine.
Yeah.
Mass number 18. No, 19.
What's the atomic number now?
Sir? Atomic number?
Yeah.
9.
9. So, and then 19 minus 9 is gonna give us 10. Agree?
10.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna do the next one and then move to a different slide. So we're gonna just complete the 10, which would be half, then we move to a different slide. What's the next element of the fluorine?
Sir?
What's the next element of the fluorine?
Neon.
Yeah, neon. And then neon, what's the mass number for neon?
20.
Yeah, good.
And
So it's
the
20.
atomic number 10.
So it's 20 minus 10, right? The neutron would be 10.
10.
Good. So let's move on to a different slide for this part, right? So we can, or a different board, have a better look. The idea is just that if you want to do better at the subject, right, you have to be willing to make sacrifices, right? Because remember, we'd have to design one ideal to your needs, right? So you can reach out to us. So let's go. So we did neon. We're gonna move on to the next one, right? Which would be what? Sodium, right? Should be Ne. What's the mass number for sodium? Morgan.
Yes, sir.
What's the mass number for sodium?
22. 22.
Round that off.
23.
Good. And then the atomic number is 11. Good. So to get the neutron, it would be 23. Well, let me just write this properly. This would be equal. I want to make sure nobody become confused. Trying to make this thing as clear as possible. So Z. So it'd be 23 minus 11, which would give us what? That would give us
12.
12. Good. So the neutron, the amount of neutron would be equal to 12. Let's move on to the other one.
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Yes, sir.
Let's put aluminum a little bit further right there. Leave some space on magnesium right here. So this would be Mg, right? So that's Mg, and then what's A? Which would be the mass number. What's the mass number for magnesium?
24.
Good.
Atomic number 12.
24 minus 12.
12.
Alright, so A.
Aluminum.
What's A?
Sir?
What's A? What's the atomic number? What's the mass number for aluminum?
27.
Good. And then the 27
atomic
is the yeah, what's the atomic number?
13.
13 minus, so 27 minus 13 would give us
14.
What's the other one? What's the 14?
Silicon.
Good. What's the mass number for silicon?
28.
Good. So A equal 28.
The atomic number 14.
So that's 14 and 28 would give us what?
14.
Good. And then the 15 one?
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
Yeah.
Which would be A and Z. Z equal?
31.
No. Z atomic number, and I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
The mass number would be 31, which would be A. So you have to know the difference.
15.
Yeah, good. So 13 and 31 and 15. 31 minus 15 will give us
16.
good. All right, so moving on now to sulfur. A equal
Sir, the mass number 32.
and then Z equal what now? 16, right?
Yeah.
All right. 15 and 16. So 32 minus 16 would give us
16.
good. And then the other one, 17,
Chlorine.
chlorine. Now, some books, as I mentioned, you see 35.5, but in nature, you're not gonna have half an element exist most of the times, right? So even though the mass number might be in some books, you'll see in some periodic table you'll see 35.5, right? You would work with 35, right? So the mass number would be 35, right, which would be A, and then Z. What's Z?
17.
17. What would be now the neutron?
18.
Good. Now we add argon, right, which would be AR. A equal what?
30. No, 40.
Yeah, 40. Oh, hold on. So let's turn this in. Yeah, so that's 40. All right, so it'd be argon. Good, argon before potassium.
Yeah.
So we're at 18, right? So we're at the 18 element now. So it would be 18. Argon would be 18.
Yeah.
Good. So 40 minus 18 would be what?
Sir?
40 minus
Sir,
18.
repeat.
No, I'm saying, so we're at argon. So I'm saying 40 minus 18 would be
22.
good. So that's 22. And then we're at potassium now. Potassium. So 1939 minus 19 would give us.
Sir?
So we had
Yeah,
potassium.
Sir, yeah, break up.
May I move too fast?
Yeah, break up.
Alright, so if we just finished argon, right? So now
Yeah.
we're moving on to potassium. So potassium, which would be 39 minus 19, would give us
20.
good. Final one, which will be calcium. What's the mass number?
40.
So that's 40 minus 20, which would give us
20.
good. So for those who are watching, right, these are the neutrons for the first 20 element, right? And in our coming video, right, we'll be looking at the structures in terms of drawing the structures for all for the elements. So if you have made it to the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, right? No, like, share, and subscribe. Share the video. You don't know who it might help, right? And let's make the world a better place. And again, remember, right, if you subscribe, you get a free cookie, you get merch, right? Just reach out to us, we will give you some things. And if you want customized worksheets, study guides, stuff like that, you can also reach out to us. If you want to book tutoring session, you can also reach out to us. Until next time, peace.